Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today we're gonna be decorating this tree. I'm so excited. If you wanna see me put it up and how I do all that, definitely go check out Monday's video. I'll link it up high for you. But we unboxed this and set it up during that video, and we also spray painted another Christmas tree. So if you're curious about how I did that or how it turned out, like I said, definitely click on Monday's video. Now let's get into decorating this tree.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never.
If you guys are wanting to get this, it is gorgeous. We're gonna see how it goes up. It is very messy, so keep that in mind.
Outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year.
Okay, my little tip when you guys, we do this on our tree. What is this called?
Now that you say it, I don't know.
I know, I can't even think of it right now. But these, the beads. If you put beads on your trees, I just take an old cardboard box and wrap it around them. And then if you rip a spot, that's where you put the last piece, and it keeps them from getting tangled inside your like storage tubs or whatever. So now we're gonna put that on real quick.
It's Christmas, outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let.
Here's how it's looking so far. So I think the most important thing to do when you pull it out of the box is fluff, 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 make it nice and full. And then we really didn't have enough fur, but I'm gonna make it work just because we have so many other items. It'll just be a texture on there. And then we added the beads, and I feel like all that goes on better first before you start adding the bulbs, so you're not having to work around those. So now that that's all done, we're gonna just start putting all the ornaments on there. Okay, now I'm gonna start by putting my most important bulbs on. So Savannah thinks these are the best ones that need to go on. So I'm gonna use all these at the same time so that I know they get scattered. If we just start grabbing randomly, then these two might end up by each other, and then I'll have to itch because that'll drive me crazy. So I'm gonna grab all the light bulbs and kind of space them throughout.
Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. disappearing.
Okay, I like to take these cheaper bulbs, and they're the ones that just come in a big pack. I've had these for years. But if you have a really thin tree or you just like to add a lot, I like to take these cheaper ones and I tuck them way in the back, and they kind of peek back there and make sure they're kind of shiny or have something that stand out about them. And then when you look at a tree, it's so pretty when you even see ornaments on the inside. And so that's a big tip if you want it to look really expensive and nice and full, is hide ornaments back here, even where you think you can't see them. And try to have your ornaments hang where they're not like sitting on a branch. Have them where they're like free hanging like that.
Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Hold on, it's time for it to reappear. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Oh yeah, the Christmas spirit's coming on. Love is in the air, my heart is filled with peace. It comes back every year just to set my mind at ease. Oh, Christmas is a part of me. Love is in the air, my heart is filled with peace. It comes back every year just to set my mind at ease. Oh, Christmas is a part of me. Oh, Christmas is a part of me. Christmas is a part of me.
Okay, the next layer, so once we get all the bulbs on there, now I do have a few more crystals we're about to add. We have like these to add, but there's not a bunch. After that, I like a full tree, so I like to go in either with like some type of pick, or if you need a cheaper option, there's even like just flowers and you just cut the stem off and then you just cram them in here where there's like gaps or holes, and it starts to fill up the tree and add a lot of texture. So this is a step that I think a lot of people forget, and I feel like it really adds to the tree.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I
Okay guys, and that's how I decorated my tree this year. It was a little bit harder this year because this is all new, for the most part, all new ornaments and a whole new tree, so I didn't get to do what I normally do, but I love how it turned out. I'll probably make a few tweaks next year, but I definitely don't want to put any more money into it this year, but it's very glam and very sparkly. Don't forget, if you want to see how the rest of my house turned out, I'll be posting my full Christmas home tour this Sunday, so don't forget to watch it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.